If you're obsessed with space weirdness, stop scrolling. The sun is singing a song you'll never hear. Here's what's really happening. Scientists have discovered something wild. The sun's surface is making a constant chirp, a high-pitched sound, but not one we can catch with microphones or telescopes. This chirp isn't tied to sunspots or solar flares. Instead, deep inside the sun's convection zone, super hot gases jiggle around and create invisible sound waves. Using special tools, experts mapped these waves and found a steady, mysterious frequency, like a secret sun song. Some physicists think it's linked to solar neutrinos, tiny particles zooming straight through us. We've just scratched the surface of what our star is hiding. Smash that like button if you love space mysteries and drop a comment with your wildest theory. For more mind-blowing science, subscribe now.